Hello friends, welcome to my channel Significant Updates. This is complete educational channel, so please subscribe and support. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get new updates from my channel.
Medical technician. If you studied your science subjects carefully, there are many courses related to a medical technician job. These courses will give you practical knowledge about the work and can guarantee jobs in the hospitals immediately at the end of the course. Most of the medical technician courses require the students to complete their 12th standard. But these few courses can be done after 10th, like Diploma in Radiography Technology, Diploma in X-ray Technology, and Diploma in ECG Technology. Or you can pursue certificate courses like Certificate in Radiology Assistant and Certificate in ECG Assistant. Medical Laboratory Technician. There is a possibility to become a medical laboratory technician after 10th. You just need to pass your 10th standard from a recognized board and then take up courses like Diploma in Medical Laboratory Technology and Diploma in Medical Laboratory Assistant. You can also do some certificate courses like Certificate in Medical Laboratory Technology and Certificate in Medical Laboratory Assistant. The duration of diploma courses is 2 to 3 years and it is 6 months to 1 year of certificate courses. However, for a better knowledge, it is better to do a diploma course. Dental lab technician. Dental lab technician is a thought about full dentures for patients who are missing teeth. They learn how to make removable partial dentures or fixed bridges for patients with only one or two teeth missing. It can be a diploma or a bachelor course. After completing the course, the students can become a dental laboratory assistant, technical service representative, or dental technician. Airline steward or stewardess. If you love traveling around the world, then your dream job may be above the ground. By becoming an airline stewards, you will be traveling the world while getting paid. There is also an opportunity to meet new people and flexible hours of work. There are many institutes that offer diploma in air hostess training, cabin crew, flight attendant training. Photography. Photography is nothing but painting with a camera, capturing the world as you see it. If you have a passion for something as creative as photography, there are many diploma courses that teach you the basic of photography. However, photography is a self-taught subject, and if you learn it better, then there is a lot of scope in this field. Body and beauty care. Everyone wants to look beautiful, and therefore there is a career opportunity in cosmetology. There are many courses that are offered after 10th standard for students to learn the art of makeup, skincare, and beauty products. The students are taught beauty therapy and treatment for face, body, and hair. There are courses which are 3 months to 1 year. After completing the course, you can become a makeup artist or open your own beauty parlor. Data entry operator. Data entry operator is needed in most of the companies. Most of these positions require the minimum qualification. Therefore, there are courses that give a student vocational training in basic data entry skills. There are short term in nature and aimed at improving the skills of a student. The students will be trained in computer operation, software and hardware, typing and internet technology. There are both diploma and certificate courses. Hospitality staff. Hospitality staff can work in a hotel or an event There are the most basic and common people who are required in a hotel or an event. The students are taught the basic hospitality skills that are required. They can work as a front desk manager or receptionist in the hotel. If you have the knack for it, hospitality staff can the best job for you. Event management. In recent years, event management has become famous. Event management is a growing field and it involves the planning of small and large scale events. The right event manager with his creativity and promotion skills can make any event a big hit. There are courses that you can do after 12th, but there are also courses which you can do after 10th, which are both diploma and certificate in nature. Fashion designing. If you have the skills, nothing is impossible. Fashion designing courses basically focus on the conceptualization, research, and design sense of a student. There are courses which you can join immediately after completing your 10th standard. These courses will help you build your passion sense, visualization, creativity, and technical skills. These are the top courses after 10th classes which will help you to study